Guys, just in time for Thanksgiving, we are going to do some big old turkey legs on the Ninja Foodi XL Grill coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, and you'll get alerts on all what we're doing here. And now you can join CJ's crew for real right here on YouTube. Hit that join button, become part of the crew for real. It helps out the channel. You get some behind the scenes perks, awesome good stuff going on. Listen, join me help you put out great content. All right, so like I said, we're gonna do some beautiful big old turkey legs on the Ninja Foodi XL Grill today. This is the first of a few kind of turkey Thanksgiving-ish dishes because this is the season we're going into, holiday season. I always try to come up with good recipes in the Ninja Foodi Grill, in the XL, in the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker. Whatever I could do to help you guys get through your holiday season doing stuff in these Ninja Foodies, all right? So today, turkey legs, no big deal. But before we get started getting them in the Foodi Grill, and we're just gonna air fry them or air crisp them, okay? So this could be done on any of your guys' air fryers. So if you're tuning in, not for the Ninja Foodi, but you see air fryer recipe, this is gonna be the same setup. We're gonna do the same amount of time, same temperature. So just kind of bear that in mind. So before we get started on actually getting them into the Foodi Grill, let's take you back to last night. Last night I decided to get some look like a dry brine on them. You know, I hate that word because it's kind of an oxymoron, but this is basically adding the salt and the seasoning and letting it sit overnight, open in the refrigerator. So this released a lot of moisture, but it also sucked in the salt and the seasoning, and we used a lemon garlic seasoning on these. First thing we did was get the kosher salt on them. You know, you want to do it pretty heavily. These are pretty good sized turkey legs. Kosher salt on them. Then we added that Caribeque lemon garlic. It's just gonna add so much flavor to these turkey legs. It's gonna be amazing. And the last thing I'm gonna do after I get these done, I'm going to this is where the healthy part comes in. I'm gonna melt some butter and just brush it over the top, get a nice little buttery goodness to go with that lemon garlic flavor. Just trust me on it, it's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna spray it down with a little canola oil just to get them going in there. We want a crispy skin if we can. I'm gonna use the smart probe and put it into the biggest turkey leg we have here. Gonna cook it to as close to 175, 180 in there. You know, 165 is for poultry, but I like to go a little bit over on the dark meat that I cook. So that's kind of what I do. Just that simple. Come on over to the Ninja Foodi Grill Station, otherwise known as, say it with me, my kitchen island. Let's get started. All right, so we have our Foodi Grill on. We're gonna get the temperature probe pretty far into one of these turkey legs. We're gonna air it crisp. We're gonna go 390. We'll do it for 20 minutes. All right, so we're gonna use chicken. Well done. All right, and then we're gonna hit start. So we're gonna preheat it. When it tells us it's ready to go, we'll throw the turkey legs in, and we're just using the cooking basket that comes with it, but we're just air frying it. Okay, it's preheated. Let's get these bad boys in. Ooh, got that sizzle. All right, I'm gonna turn this one this way, just because of that probe in there. Then we'll turn this one this way. Just that simple. If you didn't use the probe, we could probably get 5 in there, but probe is where it's at, so this is what we're gonna do. All right, so. All right, we're shooting for 170. I'm gonna let it rest to 175, and we'll be good to go. All right, guys, we're about 10, 12 minutes in. And again, this is why I don't usually tell you guys time. We're cooking the temperature, right? So our goal is 170. Right now they're 144, so we can take a look. We got some char there. That's all right. What we're gonna do is flip them around. Get the other sides good. And one thing I said I was gonna do, but I did not do, was spray them with canola oil. You know, I just felt like I didn't need to. I wanted to keep these as natural as possible. A little schmutz over there, don't worry about that. All right, so we're gonna get some heat on this side. We got 20 more degrees to go or so, but these are looking good. All right, let's finish these off. Okay, we're at 170. I'm gonna take a look at these. Got some nice little char on there. You know all that is just flavor. Turn these over, take a look at them. Yes. Oh yeah, that looks nice. All right, so here's the piece de resistance. You like that? We're gonna butter baste these real quick, just for that extra flavor, that extra goodness. These are looking good as can be. Whoops, don't mind a little spillage. Okay, and we're gonna let these rest in here with this butter basting. We're gonna let these rest another minute or so, and then we'll pull them out and eat. All right, guys, we're done. They have so much flavor on there. That air frying heat to it, charred it up real nice. We got that lemon garlic goodness on there, and then at the end, you saw me add that butter. All right, I'm gonna get one of these bad boys out. It's hot, so I got a little paper towel around it. All right, take a look. There we go. That's that goodness right there. Look at that. Very cool, very cool. Nothing left to do but to get to it and try this bad boy. It's gonna be hot. I'm not gonna lie, it just came off. Did you see the juices drip? Oh man. A ton of juices and butter just fell on the floor. Where's Charlie at? We need the sweeper. Very good, guys. Oh man, that's really good. All right, guys, give this one a try. Air fryer turkey legs, just in time for the holidays. Because sometimes you don't want to cook a whole bird, right? And the drumsticks were always mine, or my dad's, or my grandfather's. So as we aged throughout the years, the privilege became ours. Yeah, it's a good family tradition. I dig it. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you want to get yourself a Ninja Foodi Grill, hit that link down below. One of the cutting boards, any of the knives, any of the stuff I use on my videos, links are all down below. Make sure you hit that thumbs up on the way out. And if you're feeling like joining CJ's crew for real, hit that join button, all right? Listen, I hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.